Today I'll be showing you the D23 2023 Gold Member Collector Set. Each year the collector set has a different theme, and the theme for this year is celebrating Disney's 100th anniversary. Usually you get some pins and some other merchandise that match that theme, but this year we only get one item. But it's a good one. It's the Mickey Mouse Leader of the Club Milestone statue. Look at the size of this box. This thing is awesome. So we're gonna open that up very soon, but first I wanna show you the couple of things they did update. They had some design changes here this year. So usually when you sign up for D23 Gold, you get your membership certificate. It just says D23 welcomes you, blah, blah, blah. But they did change the design of this to kind of match what they have on this statue box. So now it looks like this, and then they have the kind of random characters around the outside. It does have the Disney 100 down on the bottom. So I'm not sure if they're gonna change this every year now, but usually you don't get one of these every year. I got one in 2021 because that was my first year, but I didn't get one last year. But since they updated them this year, everyone gets a new membership certificate. And the cards also had an update. They used to just look like this, blue with Mickey's, like a sketch of Mickey. And that was your only option. That was the membership card. But now you get to choose between 4 different options. You can choose for Disney characters. You can choose one that has Pixar characters, one has Marvel characters, and the other one has Star Wars characters. This year I chose the Star Wars characters. So my membership card has Star Wars characters, says Gold Member on it. And I don't know if they're gonna have this design, these design choices for the next 4 years. If they do, I'll choose a different one every year and I will collect them all. It'll just take me 4 years. So that was the certificate and the membership card. So now let's dig into this thing. Look at this. So this is awesome. I think I'm just gonna unbox it right here. I think that might be easier. So on this side we have the pose that Mickey is in this statue. Right there, and on this one it says Mickey Mouse Leader of the Club Milestone statue, and up on this end it says D23 2023 Gold Member Collector Set. Has the Disney 100 logo right there, and on the sides we have kind of that triangle shapes with different Disney characters, Star Wars, Marvel, Pixar, Disney. They're all just mixed in. That's on both the sides and also in the back. Really love this box design because I feel like you could put this in the background of the statue maybe. I'll play around with that later. So now to open it up, it just has this front flap with Mickey's pose on it. It's just held on with a magnet. So you pop that up and it flips up. And you open that up and then you see the Disney 100 logo on it. Oh, and I guess it has another pose right here. Same pose, just on black. And then you lift up this thin piece of foam and you can see the statue. He's right in there in a piece of foam that's all cut out to his shape. So you can take the statue out and there is the Mickey Mouse Leader of the Club Milestone statue. This thing is awesome. I love it. The base has a little bit of weight to it. I'd say maybe 1 pound. I don't know, maybe 2. Maybe not that heavy, but it does have some weight on the bottom. Kind of hold it up there. And there are some few little details here. So let's take a closer look at this and I can show you what I'm seeing here. So here is the statue up close. It is a very nice statue. And we'll start at the bottom here on the base. There's a big round base here and it has D23, the official Disney fan club. And on the bottom of the base, it does have 4 rubber feet and it has some weight to it. So there must be something heavy down here in the base. And he is standing on 1 foot and he's got his hands up, 1 hand up, 1 hand out. Lots of detail here. You can see the little buttons on his pants. He's got the gloves. And the best detail is he has some pins on his jacket. So if you can see that, zoom in a bit there. See, he has an Eve pin, a Black Panther pin, and a Star Wars pin right on his jacket. And then the jacket has pockets, and then the buttons. They go on both sides, and then the cuffs are all shiny, and his head, he just looks like Mickey. Oops. You can see his ears are very shiny. And on the back, very, very shiny head. You can see me. And it says Disney 100 on the back of the jacket. You can see the pockets again back here, and then the bottom of the jacket has some detail, some lines right there. So lots of detail in this statue. It's very nice. It is plastic. It does creak a bit. I don't know if you can hear that. You kind of pull it a little bit, it can kind of hear the plastic creaking. So I think if this did fall off a shelf onto a hard surface, or if you go around carrying it like this up here, there's a good chance it will break. But if you take care of it and just put it somewhere on a shelf, it'll look like it's a nice Mickey Mouse metal statue. Very nice. That was the D23 2023 Gold Member Collector Set. What do you think of the Mickey Mouse statue? I think this thing is awesome. So it's gonna go back here somewhere. I'll make room for him somewhere back there. And if you want more information on how to sign up and become a gold member for D23, you can go to d23.com and click join, and then that'll show you how to sign up. And it'll show you the benefits that you get from your membership. And the main benefit, of course, is getting the gift that comes with it every year. That's what I'm in it for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.